How to fix Firestick not working on Samsung Smart TV. Your first step is to check out the HDMI input. So press the source or input button on your Samsung TV and make sure you're actually on the correct HDMI port. Now, after that, you could actually use a proper power supply. So make sure your Fire Stick is plugged into a wall socket, not your TV USB. Low power can cause it not to display. Now, the next thing you could try is reconnecting your Fire Stick. So unplug the Fire Stick and then plug it back in firmly. And then if you're using a HDMI extender, try unplugging it and then plugging the Fire Stick directly into the TV. And now the next thing you could try is just restarting both devices. So turn off the TV, turn off the Fire Stick, and then turn them back on again. And you could also try a different HDMI port if that doesn't work out. All right, don't forget to update your TV software. So go to your Samsung TV settings and check for the latest software updates. Outdated firmware can cause compatibility issues. So keep that in mind. And then don't forget to test with another TV. So you can actually try your Fire Stick on another TV to see if your TV is faulty. All right.